There have been a lot of bankruptcies in recent times, especially in India. A lot of financial institutions have collapsed. In America, named brands like Hertz has collapsed, JC Penney has collapsed. The recent collapse was that of Yes Bank and Punjab Maharashtra Cooperative Bank. A lot of industrial groups have collapsed, like the Anil Ambani Group and the Z Group. And the Future Group is also teetering in collapse. How do we find which groups are going to collapse and which are on teetering on bankruptcy? Well, a Keynesian economist about 50-60 years back predicted this. And he predicted when groups will go down under or when countries will go down under and when is the tipping point. Today, we know this as Minsky movement. Minsky basically said there are three types of debt. The first set of debt is people who can service the interest and the principal without any recourse to new business. Second are people who cannot pay the capital back but who can service interest over a long period of time. And the third is the group of people who need the asset prices to keep going up so that they can service interest alone, let alone repay principal. When a company reaches the third stage, it has hit the tipping point. That was the case with the Z group, and that was the case with Anil Ambani group, and that is why it tipped. So, lot more company in this COVID era, when Pranab Sen says that growth is not going to return for the next 2 years in Indian markets, lot more such companies are expected to hit the tipping point or their Minsky movement and go bankrupt. Thus, it is very difficult for us to find out which is the Minsky movement for a company. And that is why I say avoid all companies with debt, substantial debt. Even the mighty Tatas are not let loose. The entire market cap of Tata Steel, as I pointed out, was less than 40,000 crores, whereas the total borrowings of Tata Steel are 1,05,000 crores. Even Tata Motors in their group is facing the same problem. Thus, whether they have it is they are under these two companies are under enormous pressure. Whether the promoter is able to bring more money into these companies to survive this tough period is $1 million question. But I'm sure because of TCS they will be able to do. But lesser groups cannot afford to have such Minsky movements. The Reliance Group almost felt that they reached a Minsky moment, and that is why they said it was their stated goal to become a net debt company. And once the promoters started talking of a net debt being a net debt free company, the value of Reliance skyrocketed. This has happened over the last 2.5 years. Still, there are many doubts about whether Reliance has become a net debt company, but at least he is aware of it and he is talking of bringing down debt. Several real estate companies have reached their Minsky movement. It is said in America, $1 trillion of junk bonds have gone past their Minsky movement. They are just waiting for a matchstick to light the bonfire. Investors must understand what is Minsky movement and avoid companies which are nearing tipping point. Thank you for watching Be Rich. If you like this video, hit the like button, press the subscriber button, and hit the bell notification. If you like to buy my Kindle book, press the link below. If you want a print copy, you may send a message in our WhatsApp number and my team would get back to you. At the very end, if you like to get in touch with me, please send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for supporting Be Rich.